Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making Fathom ready and joining the call. Install the Chrome extension or enable Fathom in your account, then join Google Meet. Make sure you grant microphone and any screen sharing permissions Fathom requests, otherwise it can't capture audio. Once done, look for the Fathom icon in the Meet toolbar and click it. You want to confirm the active recording indicator appears. This first step avoids lost transcripts and ensures the app is linked to the host account before the meeting starts. You'll now manage capture and create useful markers. Start recording from Fathom's toolbar, and if you need a break, pause rather than stop to preserve continuity. As conversation flows, use highlight or tag buttons to flag decisions and action items. This saves you time later. Make brief comments or add participant labels to important segments so the transcript is searchable. By controlling recording and adding context in real time, you reduce post-meeting editing and ensure the most relevant moments are surfaced. Finish by exporting and validating what Fathom captured. After the meeting ends, open the Fathom dashboard to generate a transcript, extract clips, or request an automated summary. Review and trim any mistranscribed sections. Assign action items directly from timestamps and share clips with teammates. If you don't see audio or transcripts, first check Chrome permissions and that the extension is enabled, then reconnect the extension or rejoin the Meet. These steps usually fix capture issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.